What is up, everybody? So we are here at the Japanese village, and so what we're gonna do is we're just gonna hang out and take some pictures of what it is that we find. Now, what we have on the camera is the 24 to 240 millimeter RF lens. We got people crossing the street, so maybe we can get something in that direction. Maybe not. We have our settings set to flexible value mode, which means we can lock our aperture or our shutter speed or our ISO. And so right now what I have is my aperture locked to its widest setting, and our ISO is in automatic, where it's not allowed to go below 400 ISO. And our shutter speed is also in automatic. So we're gonna get some people crossing the street right here, which means the camera's doing all the thinking when it comes to the ISO and the shutter speed. Oh, look, a little doggy, a big little doggy. Let's get a picture of the big little doggy. So we're trying to find something that is somewhat appealing. There's people all over the place, which is pretty cool. Oh, they're doing a photo shoot right there. But at Christmas, they usually set up a tree around this area right here. Oh, we got that gentleman playing the ukulele. Maybe we can get a picture of him from here with his little ukulele. Hey, we got this tower right here. Maybe we can get a picture of this tower somehow. Let's just try. If we stand underneath and kind of shoot from below, maybe we can get something. If I zoom in, I don't want to zoom in, but I guess that's the best we could do. Oh, look, something. So, is this the best lens for street photography? I mean, there's really no such thing as best lens for anything. Well, yeah, there is to some extent. Oh, look. So this is a Buddhist temple. Cool, another temple. Another temple. If you know about Thailand, you know that there's temples all over the place. But here, let's get a picture of some of these decorations they have here. Like who is this guy? I don't know, but here, let's get a picture of this guy right here. It's gotta be nice, it's gotta be epic. It just can't be just a regular standard picture. It's gotta look good. I'm not happy. Just a picture like this is no big deal. How about a picture from over here? Then we zoom in to 240. Then we kind of focus right around here. And is that our picture? Is that our golden picture right there? I'm still not happy. Oh, these little guys, like they're praying, I guess. Is that a good picture? I don't know. This lens is really good for street photography. It's relatively small. It can go wide to 24 millimeters, and it can also zoom in to 240 millimeters, which is super awesome for these kinds of situations. But the problem with this lens is obviously it's variable aperture. It's a variable aperture, where at 24 millimeters we are at f4, and at 240 millimeters we're at 6.3, I believe. So that's what we have to work with. I almost want to go back. I feel like I'm going the wrong way. We got this little window with colors. This is kind of lame. You know, doing street photography can be somewhat, exciting. I guess it all depends where you go or the imagination that you have, and I don't think I have that much of an imagination. Look, people just waiting over there to cross the street. We'll take pictures of people waiting to cross the street. No big deal, right? Is it a big deal? Is that art? It's a nice day though, I'll tell you that. Nice and warm. Well, it's not even warm. It's just like the weather's perfect. It's not too cold. It's not too hot. It's nice and sunny. I don't know, maybe I'm missing something. But so far, there's just nothing that really catches my eye. Maybe I came to the wrong spot. I will tell you this, the Japanese village is a lot smaller than I had anticipated. I thought it was gonna be just a little bit bigger, but maybe I missed something. Oh look, we got like a little sculpture over there. I think this picture that I'm gonna take is going to be a vertical picture, not a horizontal one. This right here. We're gonna go into vertical mode. I don't know, did that turn out okay? Was it pretty cool, was it not? Wow, it smells like crap here. Like literally smells like crap. Hey, look, there's a space shuttle. I've taken a lot of pictures already. Not a lot of pictures, but a lot of pictures. And I know I'm not happy with anything. It's almost like I'm wasting my time. I feel like I'm wasting my, oh look, there's more like a little plaza over here as well. Hey, that looks like a little indoor plaza. There's a space shuttle. So we'll take a picture of the space shuttle right here. This looks pretty dope. So I should be able to get something semi-appealing. 24 to 240. 24 to 2, no, I don't like that composition. We have to find the proper composition first. Hold on. Oh, you mother. You son of a, you scared the crap out of me. Oh my God. Hey, how are you? Good to see you. Oh, you scared the crap out of me, dude. I really thought like something bad was gonna happen. Yeah. Okay, so here we bumped into Mr. Sam and Crystal. What's up, what's up? And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a picture of them two somewhere in this area.
We want to make sure you get the
space shuttle?
Spaceship.
The space shuttle? Okay, but we're gonna do one right here real quick. I'm trying to figure this right here. We're gonna work with this wall. Okay, and so what we're gonna do is we're gonna do like a back-to-back kind of a, we're gonna do like a back-to-back kind of a pose. Like you guys are badass, but you guys are gonna be right here in the center. And here, you're gonna come over here, right about here. Nothing crazy, easy peasy, nothing crazy. Back-to-back, kind of like that. Yeah, not so much arms crossed, but yeah, like that, just chill. Come in a little bit closer, there you go. And then you guys are gonna lean in towards me slightly. Yeah, and look over here, guys. And so that's the shot. If we had more time, we'd get more crazy, but we don't have that much time. And here we go, 1, 2, 1, 2. And almost like you guys are kind of like looking back at each other like, what's up? Yeah, there it is. Yeah. And cool. And now one more with the space shuttle.
Oh yeah, it's good.
And so that's the thing about taking these pictures is we don't have that much time. We're just trying to get one pose, one location. And if we get something good, then awesome. But if we don't, then we suck. Okay, right about here. Oh, I like that. This is perfect. You guys are just like looking, just like that. Hold it. Okay, now look back over here, guys, like this. Yes, that's it. That's the shot. We're gonna do a little vertical shot. Thank you, my friend. It was good seeing you.
Hey, man. Thank you.
Take care, Crystal, and we'll party.
Yeah.
Thanks. Okay, so that was an unexpected surprise. That was pretty cool, actually. Now, I've never been here before, so I don't know what is going on. There's a line, but there's lines everywhere right now. We got people waiting. So this is like a little plaza, and there's really nothing here that catches my eye, except for maybe this work of art right here. Maybe something like this. Nah, it's no big deal. I'm taking some pictures, but it's really no big deal. It just needs to be a big deal. So we got people here waiting in line. I don't know what they're waiting in line for. Okay, so I just noticed this right here. And maybe I can get something cool. Something with symmetry. So I need to be dead in the center. And we're gonna be like a 24 millimeter. And here is the shot. Am I doing something wrong? Because it looks cool like in person. Like I'm supposed to get something awesome. Maybe I'm supposed to be in vertical mode. Let's try vertically. What about this? This looks cool, right? Maybe if I kind of... Yes.
What is the bathroom?
No, I do not. I'm sorry. This, maybe if I stand right here in the middle and kind of angle the camera upward at 24 millimeters, maybe I can get something. I don't know. I really don't know. Doing a little street photography, my friend?
Yeah.
Awesome. What do you got there?
This is my 28 millimeter 3.5.
Cool.
In the bag, I got two more. So I'm trying to. I just got this wide angle, so I'm trying to
Just experiment and have fun with that?
I actually don't live in LA. I live in San Diego.
Oh, that's awesome.
Chilling out here.
Cool.
I have to drive up, but nice meeting
Okay,
you.
homie. Take care. Have a good one. We got the tunnel right about here. I'm trying to get one good one, just one good one. Oh, here we go. Maybe this is a good one right here. We're overexposing just a little bit, and there it is. Street photography, man? Just doing whatever?
Also from a journalist.
Oh yeah? What are you shooting, man? Just for fun?
Yeah, but also doing it for portrait shots as well.
Oh, cool, man. You got an
How you doing,
Instagram? Okay, so far it's been cool. It's fun. You know what? I'll tell you this. It's like I want to get that perfect shot. I want it to be just ultra fantastic, but it's not always going to be like ultra great and ultra fantastic. And maybe that's the problem. Just relax, Frank, and have fun taking pictures. You know, talk with people. I got to bump into Sam, so that was cool. So it was definitely worth it, and I got to meet other photographers that are just shooting just for fun. It's been cool, right? It's been worth it. Okay, so far I'm having a good time, but at the same time, it's like, I don't know. I guess, you know, taking pictures of like this building right here is just not challenging, and so it just doesn't matter. I guess it comes down to the editing and what I do afterwards with the picture. Maybe that's part of the fun as well. The bottom line is not every picture has to be ultra revolutionary, but just like a simple picture like this. But we're gonna go all the way back to 240 millimeters and zoom in. So right now I'm stepping back, I'm zooming in, and here, that's the shot. Is that the shot? That's the shot. That's what's worth it. There it is. That's what I came here for. Oh, we got that guy on the skateboard. Maybe I can get a picture of him, like doing some sweet jump. Hey, doggy. Doggy. Here we go. Something. Something. Looks pretty cool. Okay, so right now my shutter speed is all automatic. It's like 1,200. Here we go, another jump.
No scared right here.
I probably got one good picture, maybe two. It's the experience, Frank. You're learning. Street photography is not about revolutionizing the world. It's about just having fun, taking pictures, and yeah, maybe that's what it's all about. We got these people just chit-chatting. Maybe we'll get a picture of them. Just talking. No, I don't like that composition. See, the composition just needs to be good. It's all about composition. It really is all about composition. Sometimes it's also about the moment. The moment can be luck. The composition is never luck. What is the composition? I don't know, there is no composition. The moment sometimes is luck. Sometimes you can get very lucky and get something really cool. But the composition, man, that's what it's all about. The composition is not luck. We're gonna walk through the little Japan village one more time and see if we find something cool this time. Everything Hello Kitty is in here. And there's a line, people are just waiting, but they've got a bunch of shops everywhere, really cool. I see Mar, go for it, man, go for it. Yeah.
I didn't want to go in the shop.
No, you're good, bro. Here, let's get a picture of Mario sitting next to Yoshi over there. We're at 240 millimeter. Remember, Frank, composition, it's all about composition. Now they got a bunch, oh, there's Tom Nook, the socialist Tom Nook. Yeah, they got a bunch of pretty cool shops here. Oh, we got that gentleman holding the chihuahua. Let's get a picture of that gentleman holding the chihuahua. Just like that. So Little Tokyo Mall. Oh, this is a mall. Interesting. Oh, wow. So there's like an underground little mall here. Oh, this looks like a cool picture. Is that a cool picture? Is this gonna look cool or is it gonna look lame? It all comes down to the editing and the composition. If your composition sucks, everything sucks. You know, it's fun being out here taking pictures, but is there anything that I'm really like jazzed about? Not really. There's another floor. This place looks pretty cool. People. Zoomed in, zoomed out, composition. I think this is over. I think we're done with this video. It's like I don't want to stop shooting because I don't feel like I got anything that's, I don't know, I'm not happy. There goes another video that I'm gonna make that I'm never gonna publish.